Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove unwanted spaces from this data. So here we can see that in this cell uh, after Patel there is unwanted spaces and before Arab also there is unwanted spaces. So how we can remove these unwanted spaces before the beginning of name and after the name and after the end of the name. So for this we will use one function which is trim. So for this we will type trim and press tab button and just we will select this cell and we will press enter and just double click here, and here we can see that in the column C this data is now cleaned and there is no leading and there is no unwanted spaces uh, in this column. So I hope you have understood how to clean this data and to remove unwanted spaces. Thank you.